Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to continue with data types in JavaScript. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's get into the video. So in data types we have next as objects. So there are few more things in objects which we have to explore, which is array, an object and date. So these three are the type of objects, okay, so which we are going to check in today's video. As you can see, I have created one file in my JavaScript folder calling it as objects data types. So let's see what is array and how we can create array and check the type of array. Okay. So for the first, what I will do is I'll create a variable saying as names. Okay, with let keyword, and then I'll assign a array. Okay. So if you want to create a array, you need to use square brackets, and inside that you can provide any kind of data. Okay. So I'm just providing numbers right now. So this is a array. Okay, if I print this, let's see, or let's log it. Okay, let's see what will going to be displayed. So I'll say node, and this is 09 and C. Now you see, this is the array which we are getting it over here. Okay, so if you want to create a array, you need to use square brackets, and then this is how we can log the data. And now let's check the type as well for this. So again, I'm using a shortcut for logging the variables. This is CLG, or you can do log log, and this one you can take it. Okay. So let's go with type of method which gives us the type of the variable. So let's clear this and let's run it again. And here you can see we are getting this array, and as well as the type we are getting is object. Okay. So the array is type of object, we can say. Yes. Now let's check on object, how we can create object and check the type of this. So objects are very important in JavaScript throughout all the frameworks and libraries. It is very important topic. So we are going to discuss more on this later on, but let's see how we can create simply a simple object. Okay. So first thing, I'll create a variable with the name of person, and after that, in order to create object, you need to use curly braces or flower brackets, we can say. And inside this we will have a key value pair. Okay, for object, in order to create that, you should be having a key and a value pair. So let's say the key will be the first name, and then we'll say value as star. Okay, and let's say last name as well, Tony. Okay, so it should be a Tony Stark, so I have replaced this first name Stark Tony. Okay, so this is how we can create a object, and let's log this data or the variable. Okay, so I'll say person, let's save it, and also log the type as well, type of person. I'll just comment on the before the array once, and let's go to this and let's print this up. Okay, so I'll say this. Now you see we are getting the object this way, and the type also we are getting is as object. Okay, so this is how you can create a object and get the type of a object in JavaScript. Yes. So dates. Dates also a type of object which we are going to create. So first thing, we have to see how we can create date and what is date. Okay, because date is something like it will going to give you the current date or entire date, like current date, year, month, and also the current time as well. Okay, so that object we can create it by using date object. Okay, so let's see how we can create that. I'll take I'll create a variable with a let, saying that current date equal to, then you have to use new keyword, and then you have to call it as date object. Okay, so this is how we can create it, and let's try to log it. Okay, so I'll just say current date dot get time. Okay, so this is how you can call it, because like current date is a object, and this object contains few other methods by which help you can get the time, date, month, and few other things. Okay, right now I'm just saying that let's get the time. Okay, so dot get time I say, but get time will not going to return the exact time. So because of that, like some other number it will going to return. Okay, so you can say like hours. Let's say what is the hours. Let's log that, and then let's check the type as well of the current date, which is date. Okay, so right now the hours you can see 12. So let's go here and let's run this file again, and now you see we are getting 12 as hour, and the type of the current date as well we are getting it as object. Okay, yes. So this is about the objects data type which we have gone through, like array, object, and date. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.